Hey guys, welcome back. While the Humvee's out there running, I got one thing to do. I gotta clean this garage. You gonna help me, Jack? Alright, let's see if she overheats. We're gonna bleed these brakes today. Let's get to it. So we got Ava in here. Brake lights on. That was nasty. It seems to be working much better. I haven't replaced the front yet, I've only replaced the rears. But the front seem to be operable. So we're gonna see if we can take it down the road and see what it does. Power steering. Jump in the back. Jump in. Jump in. Jump in.
I am.
know what? The brake pedal is shoving my foot backwards. Not all the time, it's intermittent. And there's no power steering. So I hope the master cylinder is not bad. Okay guys, next day here. Welcome back to the channel. And this is what we're gonna do. Go ahead and get the bottoms off these seats right here. I only got 3 seats, so let's bust them off because we're gonna need these bases. Here we go. So I just scrubbed this stuff down with some Dawn. It looks pretty good. Not the seats. Don't look at the seats. But these pieces, that piece especially. Yeah, just sat here and scrubbed it. Brush, that stuff. Just get ready for paint. I don't even think I have to sand it. Just put that one right there. You can kind of see on the edges. Maybe just need to hit it just a little bit. Yeah, let's keep going. Okay guys, what I'm doing right now, I just started doing this. I just pulled the caliper off. That's it. 2 bolts. The top one is a really pain in the butt to get to. And I had to end up using just a ratcheting wrench to get it, okay? Kind of hard to break loose, but I got it. So what I'm doing right now is just spinning it and removing the bolts from the rotor. So I got the pads out. They are disgusting. I did drive down the street like that, so it actually started pulling a little bit off, but that's not staying. We're changing this out. So I put an order in for them. They're gonna be here tomorrow, so I can go ahead and pull these off. So I just got the rotor hanging here, and I was able to press the piston back in on this. The fronts, really important. The fronts press in, and I've got this tool right here that I use. You know, simple, acts like a brake pad, or you can even put a brake pad on there to take up some space. But it works really well. Pressed it right back in. And the rears, they rotate in clockwise, and counterclockwise they rotate out, kind of like that. So I was in there trying to press them in, and like, it's not working, and that's why they rotate. But the fronts, they will press back in just like a normal vehicle. All right, and I put the vehicle on jack stands just enough to get it get off the ground. That way I can rotate it and get to the nuts on the bottom. And what's nice about the front, I can let the axle down. Boom. I don't want to land on my head. Mini sledge? I think so. Ew, nasty. So the hardest part about doing the brakes is the top bolt on the calipers on any of the brakes, rears, but that top bolt, it is a pain. I have seen some guys remove all of this, the radiator, everything, to be able to access it from the top. No thanks. I'll deal with the pain in the butt bolt before I remove all of that. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Let's get to it. All right, I saved the best for last. Man, so there's the caliper right there, and it literally hits the frame. Like, you can't even get the caliper off. Like, the rotor is gonna have to come off with it. Again, and I'm gonna have to take it off all in one piece. Here we go. Nice. Whoa. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is press the piston back in with this little handy dandy tool. Brand new bleeder screws for $2 for 2 of them. Okay, this is ridiculous. So I just went ahead and unscrewed the brake line. So I've got the bleeder nipple in the vise. I mean, cranked down. I couldn't break it free with the vise grips. It wouldn't happen. It was just mutilating it. Now it's already mutilated, so let's put it in the vise and give it a try. Oh gosh, this is sliding right out. Look at this thing. This is ridiculous. I've never seen a bleeder valve in there like that. Boom. Brand spanking new and new bleeder. $24 for this caliper up front. It's from AutoZone. Probably not the greatest one, but hey, lifetime warranty, whatever. And I don't have to mess with that bleeder screw. Boom. Comes with the new bolts. I just put the bracket on right here. So let's go. I don't know if I can put that back on there like I did all the rest. I think I'm going to put it all together and just kind of slide it up in there all as one piece with the rotor attached to the caliper and pads and all that. So let's give it a try. Boom. Nola, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ow. Goof. All right, get back. Go. Get out of here. Get off me. Where are you going? You better stay around. Or else. A little grease. That is not food. Let's see what that does to your insides. Just got all the way back from the auto parts store and they gave me the wrong caliper. Driver's side, horrible side, bad side. Let's change that. Camera trick. Psh. Brand new one. Now, maybe it'll work this time. So, for instance, or maybe just your knowledge, the passenger side and driver side, it all stores O'Reilly, Advance, AutoZone. they're flopped. So if you order it from AutoZone and you want a caliper that's for the passenger side, it's actually going to fit the driver's side, and driver's side is actually going to fit the passenger side, no matter what their computer system says. Hey Jack. Hey Nola. Ava, you gonna help me today?
Yeah.
Cool. You gotta help me get this brake on.
Black gloves.
Get them. So, we gotta put the brake on. I need you to hold the caliper while I put the rotor and the pads on, and we kind of gotta put them on all at the same time.
Okay.
All right, let's get to work. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, so the back brakes are all finished. They're complete. The rotors are on, new pads. They're good. So time to put these support or impact brakes or pieces back on here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. So recap on the Humvee. The power steering pump is shot. It is beyond done. Waiting on parts as usual. And also on the brake line, I'm missing the brake line up front because I snapped it. So 2 parts, they should be here. Hopefully this in a couple days, eBay. So just waiting. Thanks for watching. Until next time.